Hi, welcome back everyone. In today's video, I want to talk about a new tool that's called Akool. Basically, Akool is a new AI tool, and what can Akool do? Basically, it can do streaming avatar and then video translation, face swap. This is just the few main features of the Akool, and I'll look deeper into all these features in the upcoming video. But for now, let's take a look at the pricing of Akool. So basically the free version is for you to test out. There's very limited thing that you can do with the free version. And then it comes with a watermark, so basically you can't use it, but it's good for you to test out. And they give you a few credit. If I'm not wrong, there should be 200 credit on the basic, which is a free version, just to try it out. And then the next plan that we go is actually the pro version. So the pro version actually costs you, if you go for the money plan, that will cost you $30. And if you take the yearly plan, that is 30% off. But in this video, I'll give you the discount code so that you can get 70% off. And then we'll cut this by another 40%. And with the pro plan, you get everything on the basic. And then you have the watermark remover. That is the one of the main thing that you want. And then 3 customized instant avatar. You can upload the file up to 300 meg and 15 minutes, and then you get 600 credit. And that is the most basic one that you can go for. And the way the credit works is that you can look at all this. If you do a face swap on the image, that will cost you 4 credits. So if you have 600 credit and for the image you want to swap a face, that is going to cost you 4 credit. I wouldn't say it is that cheap. Of course, now all the AI tools, everything costs money, and it's certainly not one of the cheapest that you can find. But the features is constantly updating. That's one thing that I like. And then if you do a face swap on a video, that means if this is the video, then it's going to cost you 10 credit for every 10 seconds. If your video is 30 seconds long and you do a face swap on this 30 seconds, then it will cost you 30 credit. So you can do the calculation backwards. If you have 600 credit, so how long can you do with the face swap? And then we have the live face swap. The live face swap, I think, is referring to the live streaming. And then that is going to cost you 10 credit per 30 seconds. So that is a block of 30 seconds for the live face swap. And then you have all the talking avatar video translation. And it lists out all the credit over here that you can count for yourself, whether is it worth it or not. So the first thing that you want to do is basically just create a free account first, because if you don't create a free account, then you won't be able to know if these tools suit you or not. So just sign up for it. You can log in with your Google, or you can just create a new Akool account. So over here, I'm basically on the Pro plan. And if you look at it, the pricing, if you go for the Pro Max or Studio, then it is going to cost you more, but it has a lot more things that you can do in the Pro Max and the Studio plan. But for me, I'm just going for the Pro plan now because I'm still in the testing phase. And with this, there's actually a 3-day trial. So that is during the 3-day trials, you get 200 free credit for you to create and explore. And if you decide to cancel during the first 3 days, then you don't have to pay for the 200 credit that you can use. Anyway, with that, let's look into my account. So I'm on the Pro plan. So Pro plan, I have 600 credit, so I've used a little bit just to test out. So in the upcoming video, I'll be demonstrating all the features over here: streaming avatar, talking avatar, video translation, face swap, image generator. We might not use everything, or maybe there's other tools out there that's better at doing certain things that you can use it for. So it all depends on yourself. But one thing is that if you want to get the 70% off, that means on the yearly plan, the pro plan is going to cost you $21. So once you created your free account, you probably have 200 credit or 50 credit. I'm not sure about the free plan. And then you click on the upgrade plan. So the upgrade plan will bring you to this page. So if you're on the money plan, then it will be $30. The coupon code that you are going to use is this. You're going to use a coupon code called thank you. So when you add a promotion code over here, and if you just put thank you, this will take off 30% off the money plan. So instead of paying $30, you are paying $18 just to try out the pro plan for a month. So if you decided that Akool is one of the tools that you want to use, then just go for the yearly plan, because the yearly plan is going to give you 30% off. And if you just click on the upgrade button, then it is going to tell you that the yearly plan is going to cost you $252. And using the same code, thank you, and you click apply, and using the same coupon code thank you on the yearly plan, that is going to bring it down to $151 per year. So if you do the calculation, but now at $151 per year, let's divide it by 12, and that is only going to cost you $12.60 per month if you decided to go for a yearly plan and using this thank you coupon code. But of course, this thank you code, you need to click from my link. My link is in the description below, and that is how you get 70% off the plan of the Akool software. So with that, I suggest for you to just sign up for the basic plan now, and in the upcoming days I'll be showing you all the different features of the Akool, and then you can decide for yourself whether to sign up for it or not. With that, I end the video here. Thank you very much, and I'll see you on the next video.